Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications and for my videos to come. And also let me know how you feel the readings are. Whenever you leave a word of how the readings are, it makes me feel very happy. It encourages me to bring in new videos for you all. Today I feel you should hear the mantra Vakratunda Mahakaya of Lord Ganpati. And I don't know, when I was just keeping the cards, I felt the mantra Vakratunda Mahakaya was going on coming in my mind that I should ask you all to chant. Maybe it is basically for obstacles to go. That is why Lord Ganesha wants you to you know chant that mantra. Also in the evening or in the morning, whenever you have time, feed 3 people today, poor people today. Lord Ganesha will bless you abundantly. And today the color needs to be pink. I feel you people are lacking a lot of self love and you people are having a lot of negative thoughts around you, so pink is the best. Now those who are going for work and they cannot wear pink, or they feel pink is not the right color to wear in the office, then you can go for white color, more of purity and more of clarity. So let's see what is in cards for you all today. The first card which has come is harmony. So again, if you see, sacral chakra is what the card is indicating. So maybe the harmony inside you is lacking, and that's the reason maybe I felt you should work on more of self love. Maybe there has been some bitterness in love, maybe there has been some misunderstandings with your loved ones, and that's the reason you're feeling the blockage. So but overall I feel today the day will be harmonious, the day will go really well, and you'll be very happy the way the day is going. But we will still feel, pick one more card, be candid. Now if you want the day to go good, or if you feel there are issues which are not getting resolved, it is because you are not opening up and speaking. You are not taking the stand and talking because you feel it will hurt the other person. Whenever this card has come, I have always said that throat chakra is blocked. Simple reason being, you are not opening up, you are not telling what you are going through, and you feel that if I say, the opposite person will get hurt. But today's color combination, the cards and everything are indicating that you need to speak. And when you need to speak, whatever is the unwanted energies that is blocking the relationship or that is creating the rift, that will go, and things will change for the good. So what are you waiting for? Just go and talk your heart out and clear the misunderstandings, and have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.